what's up guys, I am Aviman Shah and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Noob Volt by Noob Unique. Again, I have used this, I have unboxed this, but the whole point is to show you guys how they pack it and how it looks inside the box. So first of all, they have a couple of things mentioned on their box. These are the awards they won. They have their own patented technology which we will talk about later. And over here, it's what color of the Volt you've got. So they have sent me Noob Orange Volt. Again, huge shout out to Noob Unique. They have sent me about 5 hookahs and so a lot of reviews coming soon. But yeah, let's unbox this. So when you open the box, you first get a certification of authenticity along with the contents are written here in Russian and English. Even over here, they just welcome you and it's just a greeting in Russian and English again. So this is how it looks. Initially, you take the first layer off. Let me keep it here. Here it is. So let me remove all the parts and then we'll discuss about them one after the other. Okay, so when you remove the last layer, you have two things. Here is the ashtray and here the service kit. And this is why I love this, dude. They sent a service kit, it's so good. This is the ashtray, by the way. And in the service kit section, you have your two grommets. The one that's attached here and the one that you'll put your bowl on. And you have this. They've given you an oil and a tool along with it. So it's a service kit, and what they've mentioned here is the oil is used to lubricate rubber seals, the O-rings basically. Sometimes, you know, it happens that you might need to use it. So the best part is they are giving this to you along with the shisha, so you don't have to go outside searching for it. And that's great, man. So another thing that I would want to mention before we get into the specifics is that I actually messaged the Noob Unique team who I am in touch with, and I commended them, and I was so impressed because the packaging they sent was fantastic. The way they had wrapped all the boxes and, you know, the way they had sealed it, and it was absolutely fantastic. So huge shout out Noob Unique, by the way. Also, thank you so much for all the support I got on my last video. I was overwhelmed. I did not expect such amazing responses. Even the numbers that it did, I was very impressed and I was surprised, man. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah, let's get into it. So firstly, this is the ashtray. Pretty basic, but it's a fantastic quality one though. It's made of stainless steel again. Trust me, it makes a lot of difference, right? If your hookah is not made of stainless steel, or it's made from normal steel or brass or some shit, and then when you have it in a stainless steel made hookah, you'll understand the difference. There's a huge difference. This is the down stem. They have an attached open-ended diffuser. I don't know if you can see it. That's pretty cool. This is their bowl port. And this is their heart. It is so heavy and it's made of, one second fam, one second. We're good. So it's so heavy, it's made of such amazing quality. Again, stainless steel. And you can see there's a button over here. So that is their patented technology. And what that does is, I will tell you when we smoke. So yeah, so this is the main bit, right? This is why we've bought this. Why you might want to buy it, because it looks so beautiful. So it's made of stainless steel as well, but the covering, right? This is ash wood. It's made of ash wood, and the reason it's called Volt is because this design is made by electrocuting and shocking the wood. And that is crazy, fam. Look how beautiful it looks. They've literally shocked this wood to get this design, which is why it's fantastic. So also, as you know, I already opened it up. So even the mouthpiece has the similar design, same color. The hose is made of really good quality, very high level silicone. And I don't know if you can see this because it's kind of small, right? This has two knobs. So it gets very easy to insert it in the hose port. Another thing I love about the Noob Unique Volt series is that you get it in a lot of different colors. Like I have seen, there's a normal Volt which is made of wood, so it's wooden color. There's white Volt, there's purple, there's blue. There's so many different colors, and they all look fantastic. I love this orange one that they sent me. It's beautiful. It's like a fluorescent reddish orange, and it's fantastic. One more thing I would really want you guys to know is that this shisha does not come with a base. So you'll have to purchase the base separately, but I think that's cool because if you buy one good Russian base, you can use it with almost all your shishas. So I don't think that should be an issue. But yeah, man. So let me go and pack my bowl now, and I will show you guys how beautifully this beast smokes. Hey guys, so we're back. The bowl has been packed. The coals have been resting in the Nagrani for about 7-8 minutes now, and yeah, so before I show you guys the clouds, again, thank you so much for the amazing support you guys showed me on my last video, and I hope you continue doing the same. I really appreciate all the love and support. So yeah guys, do like the video if you enjoyed till now. If you have any suggestions, any requests, any videos you'd like me to make, any tips, drop it down in the comment section below. And if you want to purchase this beautiful hookah or some of the other series, they have Noob Unique have a bunch of more series. They have the mono, they have the black one, the white one, and they have the Volt. So if you want to purchase any of them, go check them out on Instagram or on their site. Both will be mentioned in the description below. If you want to see what I do on a daily basis, what bowls I pack, what mixes I do, what hookahs I smoke in every single day, go follow me on my Instagram, guys. That'll be mentioned somewhere over here and in the description below. And let me show you guys some clouds. Before, this is the knob, and see how easy it is to plug it in, right? You just, that's it. That's all you have to do. So let me show you guys some clouds now. As you can see, really good, dense, thick clouds. Let me show you guys the purge. I love their purge, by the way. It's beautiful. It's like a waterfall. So, about this knob, about this button rather, that I was telling you guys earlier, this is their patented technology. It's the cooling system. So when you purge, it comes out from here. But when you press it and you purge, the smoke travels to the stem into the bowl and cools the flavor down. Now, when I first heard about this, I was like, does this actually work? After I received this and when I tried it myself, fam, it genuinely works. The flavor cools down. If you have a slight bit of harshness too, it goes away, and that's beautiful. And that's why they've patented it. Sorry. So nobody else can use it. It's a beautiful technology, one of a kind, and I love it. So yeah guys, that was about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, do like, do comment, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with all my new videos. I post at least once every week. And yeah guys, that's it, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let's end this video with a few clouds.